Hi guys, this is Dr. J of Dr. J's Repairs, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use some very basic things in Microsoft Word. I'm going to quickly show you how to create a new document, and then we're going to write some text. I want to show you how to copy the text that we just written and then paste it somewhere else. And then I'm going to show you a different way to copy. It's called cutting, and it's cut and paste. I'm going to show you how to save your document, and I'm going to briefly show you the difference between save and save as, because they are different. And then I'm going to show you how to open up a saved document. I won't necessarily be showing you these things in this order, because in order to show you some of this stuff, I have to show you how to open up the document. Anyway, so we want to create a new document. So we go into Microsoft Word, and mine happens to be conveniently located here, but if yours isn't conveniently located in the Start menu, try your All Programs. And it should be either located here, or if you scroll down to your Folder section, it will be in a folder called Microsoft Office. Now I have Microsoft Office Tools, which isn't the same thing. But you should have it here. If not, look for a folder that says Microsoft Office, and it'll be in there. So click on Microsoft Word, and it opens, and we have our blank document here. So let's type some text. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. Wrong plane. There we go. Okay, so we have our text. Well, we want to save this document now, right? So, in order to save, you go up to File, and let me see if I can zoom in here a little bit. There we go. You go up to File, and you click Save As, and there's both Save and Save As. If you haven't saved this file before, it's a totally new file, both of these will do the exact same thing. It's once the file is saved, that's when these two become different. I've always just been in the habit of clicking Save As for the first time. So it'll open up this little Save As window, and let's save it to the desktop, and we'll call it Awesome File. There we go. So let's minimize this window for a second, and as you can see down here, I have Awesome File right here. And I also have Awesome Folder, which will be used momentarily. So, in order to open a saved document, let's say we're all done for the day with work, and we want to close this. It's all saved. We just saved it, right? Click Close, and it closes. Well, it's right here. So, if you want to open it, just double-click the icon, and give it a moment, and it'll open back up. There we go. There's our text. Let's say we want to copy this text now to a different line in the Word document. You hit Enter a couple of times, and you say New Line. All right. I'm just saying New Line for demonstration purposes. We want to copy this text. So in order to copy it, you click and hold the left click button down at the very beginning of the text, and then drag your mouse so that it highlights all of the words that you want to copy. And then once it's highlighted, you can let go, and you can move your mouse around, and this whole text is highlighted. To copy it, right-click inside the highlight. If you have right-click outside the highlight, it'll unhighlight like this. So you can see it's no longer highlighted. Oh no. So just re-highlight it, and right-click it again, and you have your options here, and you want to copy. So you click Copy, and then you go find where you want to place the text, and it doesn't necessarily have to be in a Word document. You can put it in your Internet Explorer. You can put it in an Excel spreadsheet. It just saves it as text, and so in order to paste it, you've got your little cursor blinking down here. Right-click it and click Paste, and there you go. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain in the new line. So let's delete this. And the easiest way to delete it is just to highlight it again and push the backspace button. There you go, it's gone. Now let's say we want to cut this text. Cutting is just a fancy way of moving the text. So highlight it again and select the cut option instead. It has a little scissor button, or a little scissors icon next to it. And it's gone. But where did it go? Well, your computer remembers the text. It's in its memory. So if you right click down here and you click paste again, boom, there it is. The rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. So let's move this line all the way back up to the top here, and then we'll delete the new line portion. And there we go. We have the rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain. Now, I'm going to show you the difference between saving and saving as. So, if we try to click out of this document right now we've manipulated it some. So Word is going to prompt you, do you want to save changes you made to Awesome File? Yes, you do. Or no, you made a mistake and you don't really want to. I'm just going to click cancel for now. So we have our awesome folder, as you can see here. If you want to create a new copy of this file but in a different location, you click Save As. And then you can click on Awesome Folder and do that, and there you go. The new copy of Awesome File is in Awesome Folders. Let's minimize that for a second. And there it is right here. I have to stress this. This awesome file and this awesome file are not the same thing. If you manipulate one of these files, it will not show up in the other. That's what the save part is for, as opposed to save as. So let's close this, and let's manipulate the awesome file on the desktop. And I'm just going to do something simple like Dr. J rocks. Rocks. Okay. So now, if we wanted to save this, we wouldn't click Save As, because that would just pop up a new window and then we'd have to find a new place to save it. We don't want that. All we gotta do is go File and click Save. And it overwrites what the file used to be. So it goes from being this, the rain in Spain falls mainly on the plain, to this, Dr. J rocks, underneath it. So let's close this. And as you can see, if I open up Awesome File in the Awesome folder, my modification isn't there. That's because these two files are not the same. So let's rename this, and to rename a file, all you gotta do is right click it and click rename, and we'll rename it Awesome File 2. Okay. And if we double click on Awesome File 2, we can see that my modifications are in fact there. Dr. J rocks. And if I click on Awesome File, the modifications are not there. So, essentially, saving as is just creating a new copy of the document you're working on, whereas save overwrites the current file you're working on. Anyway, that concludes this tutorial. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments section below this video.